is out. We have Giri. Pass to begin. High chair confusion is down on the inside. And moving up on the outside, about 7 wide comes Dream Cross. For your eyes only, also there, Don Paulo. Next on line, Giri. It's a Lemon, Police Do, while Cutting Edge is the early trailer as they leave the straight. For your eyes only, the leader by about 3/4 of a length. High chair confusion is down on the inside second, and on the outside third, Don Paulo, about 5 wide, Angel Eunice, so as with Dream Cross. Giri is racing in 6, 7th comes Cutting Edge, it's a Lemon and Police Do, as they swing down the back. Don Paulo takes the lead by about a neck. Down on the inside comes High Chair Confusion. For your eyes only in the middle. And on the outside, Angel Eunice, Dream Cross. Giri also coming into the picture. So as with Cutting Edge. Now sneaking at the inner rail. Then followed by It's a Lemon and Please Do. High Chair Confusion takes the lead. Angel Eunice moving up down on the inside is Cutting Edge. As they come down at the last 200, it's an anybody's race. We have High Chair Confusion moving up, Giri on the outside. Cutting Edge is down on the inside. But it's still High Chair Confusion by about a length and a half. Giri still in second, but it's too little, too late. And finally, it's High Chair Confusion, Giri. Cutting Edge, Dream Cross.
Dagdag na natin, partner Dennis. Angel Eunice, pan-5, pang-6, It's a Lemon. Kung kayo may Super 6, it will be 1, 4, 8, 7, 5, and 6. Doing 135.8 with cuttings of 18.5, 24.5, another 24.5, and finishing at 28. Yan ang naging time ni High Chair Confusion.